What is going on here? Smash him! Smash him! Hard! Hard! Hulk smash!
Game over. Try again.
Emmett! You're missing hammer time.
Adrian wants to try it too.
There's only one hammer per thing. That is true, you did.
Okay.
Ow, no.
You come over here. You come
Stop
over here,
touching me
Dennis.
with your dirty tissues, please.
Hey, Adrian's turn.
All right, Elijah,
Hey,
you're ready.
come in.
Hulk smash! Quicker! You gotta be quicker! Watch your fingers. Get him, Yaya! Go, go, go! Get him, 80, go, 80, go! Bonk him! Come on, A! Smack him! Good job, A! Good job, Elijah! Is Emmett taking a turn now? No, there's no tickets in these games, honey.
Why?
I don't know.
No tickets here. No tickets.
Is Emmett gonna get a turn or no?
Yeah.
All right, Em. Ready? It's hammer time. Can you be super quick? Can you Hulk smash on the super quick? Get ready. Go. Dun, dun, dun. Go. Yeet him. Come on, hurry up. Woo, you got the blue light. I have no idea. Sorry, I was loud. Nice job.